So this video shows you in case you have a duplicator for and the right or the left bracket is broken. So this video shows you how you can replace when you receive the spare part or replacement part, and my friend helped me on this. So there are two screws actually on the extruder mounts. You have to open them in order to release the extruder and the belt. And as I said, another two screws here which keeps the belt tight. So you remove them to let them release and take out the belt on the right and the left bracket. So and just use it like something soft hammer or anything. Just pull out the shaft and the bracket which actually keeps the extruder, and release the stop cable and a stepper motor cable as well. And two screws here which actually keeps the shaft tied to the printer. And there's a set screw here, as you see. You need to lose it a little bit. Take out the bracket and remove the end stop and stepper motor. There are four bolts here, and you need to open it and release the stepper motor. Remove these four bolts and take out the stepper motor. This may take time about like 10 to 15 minutes, so be patient. And we again just use the same bracket because but in order I mean if you receive the new one then but at the moment we don't need a new one because ours is not broken. So we're just trying to show you how you replace the new one. So you put back the stepper motor as well as end stop switch, and tie the bolts on it. And the next step is put the belt on, the one which you actually removed earlier. So then put the shaft back and assemble it back. Tight the set screw here, as you remember you loosened it earlier, and these two screws. And we go to the left, to the left side. So almost same process. So, but this side is might be more easier because there is no end stop or stable motor, so it will be faster and more easier. So I just try to move the camera this side, and again, as you see, you need to lose a little bit the set screw or groove screw, and then remove the belt and shaft. And again, when you receive the new one, you just replace it. And but we already have the one, so put the shaft back on it, as well as belt. And this is a good amount of distance you can put the belt on. Just make sure it's not too loose or too tight. Tie the groove screw and two bolts here, two screws here. In order to keep the left shaft tight on the printer. And so then these two rows or shaft, you put them back on the bracket which actually holds the extruder, and actually two extruders. So try to make them fit on the left and the right bracket using a good pressure, and make sure they're fit on the hole, and put the belt back on the pulley. So make sure tight the screw to keep the tight on the bracket. And left side pulley. put back the left side pulley, and you see and that's how you assemble the belt on the bracket, which actually holds the extruder. And there's another screw where you need to tighten it in order to keep the belt. And yeah, you can try. This is not too loose, this is not too tight, so you also make sure this shouldn't be too close or too tight or too loose. And then you go for the other belt. You can use the proper tool just to help you to also assemble back the belt. And other side belt. We just feed them on the pulley. And just feed them on the bracket. Put the cables back in the sub switch, and stepper motor cable back. And next, put back the extruder on the bracket, on the middle bracket, and tighten it. As we earlier opened two screws, so keep it tight to the bracket. And that's all. Hope this video helped, and it showed how actually you can change the right or the left bracket in case one of them is broken. Okay, thanks for watching.